Hey there, Web101. I thought what I would do here after, admittedly, a couple of weeks of silence here out of me, is give you an idea of some of the classes you maybe should take now that you've completed Web 101. One of the things I think that companies now more than they have over the last several years have realized because of the pandemic is they cannot sleep on their online presence. And that means that there is a tremendous opportunity for you to get out there and to fill that void. So now that you've taken Web 101, here's a couple of suggestions that I have for you. Number one is you are 3 courses away from getting a web design certificate from us at Rock Valley. And one of the things we keep mentioning when we are talking to students, one of the things we mention when we talk to high schools, when we give value or express what the value is of having a degree, is degrees are fantastic. That's what our bread and butter really is. But for you, the sweetener on top of it is a certificate. It proves to an organization that you don't need to be trained up in something it is that they are looking for. And web design is going to be something that they are looking for. So now that you've got 101, my suggestions are these. Again, get the certificate. You need 3 more courses. The good news is we offer 2 of them in immediate rapid succession here in summer 1. There's a Web 111, and that is multimedia, where you will learn to use Adobe Animate, which is a huge portion of how things get done for multimedia, like advertising, like putting together like presentations, for example, for companies. That is going to be done oftentimes in Animate, and it really is the industry language. It's like Kleenex, right? When you need a tissue, you don't ask for a facial tissue all the time. You say, give me a Kleenex, and everybody knows what you're talking about. Really, Adobe Animate is that kind of analogy for multimedia in the industry. At the same time, in summer 1, they are tailored to go together, is Web 290, which is WordPress. WordPress is very, very probably the platform that you're going to use to manage web content for a company out there. So you're already 3 courses down. In the fall, there is Web 102, which is a more... Web 101 was a specific course. We covered specifically HTML and CSS. In Web 102, it is a generalized course. We talk about things like PHP and JavaScript and platforms and carts and management and more design. It is a survey type course, but it is the second 8 weeks in the 16-week fall semester. And you can take that at the same time as Web 233, which is Intro to JavaScript. Once you have Web 101, 102, 233, which is JavaScript, or 111 or 290, you have a certificate. So that really goes a long way, again, towards helping you really express to a company out there, I can be your website solution. The other one course I do want to highlight here is... Actually, there's 2 courses. Really quickly, let me say it's 2 more courses. Those come around next year. All of these courses are only offered, with the exception of 101, once a year. So if you miss 111 in summer, 290 in summer, they don't come around again until 2022. If you miss Web 102, it doesn't come around until 2022. Now, the same thing is going to be said for next spring in 2022. We offer 2 courses there that only roll around once a year. One of them is PHP programming, that you're going to need to be able to deal with databases more than you will have seen in Web 102 if you elect to take it. The other one there is digital photography, which is a fantastic course because it's 3 credits, and college courses don't all need to be sciency. This one is artsy, which is nice. And that is Web 225. So I know that was a lot of courses, a lot of course numbers, and I also know that probably some of you are going to need prereq waivers in order to sign up for courses, but please consider signing up for courses ASAP. The fall courses are almost all full already. The summer courses, actually fall fills first, then summer fills, which is crazy, but it's true. The summer courses are almost all full already. Please think now long and hard about what it is you're going to sign up for. Think about taking summer courses because that clears your plate for things in the spring, or the fall rather, and then the spring, for those speech courses and those math courses and those bio courses and those other courses that you otherwise would put off. Don't put those off to your last semester, because I've heard that strategy numerous times and I've only seen it work successfully a couple of times. And as always, if you have any questions, all of us. So I'm going to say myself because I can't volunteer other instructors, but please let me volunteer all of our CIS instructors. If you have questions about what the degree is going to be worth, how you can transfer it, how you can get paid doing it, all of those things, reach out to us because we're the ones that have that answer. So there you have it, Web 101, courses to take now that you've completed Web 101.